In this lecture, we are going to see the page speed technique 1C. This technique is for those who could not install W3 Total Cache plugin in their website. Here, we are going to install a new cache plugin instead of W3 Total Cache, but the rest of the settings of this page speed technique 1B remains the same. That is, you need to follow the same configuration of above the fold optimization, auto optimize, speed booster pack, and other plugins too. But instead of W3 Total Cache, we are going to install another free cache plugin. So let me deactivate this Total Cache plugin. To install this new cache plugin, click on Add New, and let's install the next best alternative cache plugin, that is WP Super Cache. You don't need to search anything. WP Super Cache appears in the featured plugins list. So install it and activate it. By default, WP Super Cache will be disabled. We need to activate and configure it. For that, you can either go to this plugin admin page link or scroll down, click on settings under WP Super Cache, or go to settings and then select WP Super Cache. First, you need to turn on the caching. Then click update status. Since I'm using HTTPS, let's uncheck it and click test cache. You should get OK for both page 1 and page 2. Then it means the cache is working. Now let's enter into the advanced configuration. Simple cache delivery method works well for all the websites, but let's dig deep as we are experts in WordPress. Check don't cache pages for non-users. Don't cache pages with get parameters. Compress pages so they are served more quickly to visitors. This is equal to gzip compression by W3 Total Cache. Also cache HTTP headers with page content. Enable 304 not modified browser caching. Check mobile device support. Clear all cache files when a post or page is published. Extra homepage checks. And scroll down, then click update status. Generally, this not modified browser caching will work only when mod rewrite caching is not used. But when we use export, then mod rewrite method is used. But to enable this export mode, that is mod rewrite mode, your server should support this. Now click on update mod rewrite rules. You should get this message, that is mod rewrite rules updated, and this message should appear in this green shade. Now come to contents. You can delete the expired cache files or the existing cache files by clicking any of these buttons. Coming to preload, you can opt to preload the cache files for every 600 minutes, that is equivalent to 10 hours. So leave it to default, or you can opt to preload the cache now. But when you click preload cache now button, your server usage will go to its peak to preload all the web pages of your website. If your website is very big, then your server may also throttle the speed of your website. So use it wisely. Coming to plugins tab, scroll down. You can see Jetpack mobile theme and WP Touch support from this WP Super Cache plugin. When you use Jetpack mobile theme or WP Touch plugins, you need to enable either of these so that this cache plugin gives support to those mobile version of your website. With this, you have completed configuring this WP Super Cache. Now let's visit our website. So everything is working correctly. As usual, Let's rerun the Pagespeed insights. Once you rerun the test, generally you should not find any difference between the Pagespeed score of W3 total catch and WP super catch, but a change in score of up to 5 doesn't matter. Now let's run the Pingdom Tools test. Of course, there will be a difference in page loading time because W3 total catch has got a lot of catching options like page catch, browser catch using disk enhanced method, and lot more. But WP super catch doesn't add that much stress on your server. It also doesn't give you the best page load time, but still it's not bad. It's still great. It's under 720 milliseconds. So let's run the page speed test from web page test. Like we noticed in Pingdom Tools, here also the total load time under repeat view has got increased from 1.82 seconds to 2.1 seconds compared to the W3 total catch and WP super catch versions, but still it's under the benchmark timing of 3 seconds. And also we have got A grade for everything, so it doesn't matter. If your hosting restricts you from installing W3 total catch, then this super catch plugin is your next best option. So with this, you have successfully completed the page speed technique 1. In the next lecture, you will learn what to worry and what not.